The homeowners living in this late 1970s home, designed and owned by renowned architect Glenn Dutch Duarte, wanted to honor his style while updating to meet 21st century needs. The kitchen, sunroom, dining, and living rooms were all separated by walls. The team opened up the floor plan by installing multiple large beams. They updated the kitchen with gourmet appliances, handleless cabinetry, black countertops, and a custom banquet seating area, making it perfect for entertaining. The homeowners now have an open and functional space while maintaining Duarte's distinctive design they so love.